Hello there, today I show you my digital art Photoshop action, how to use it and custom it. There is previously applied some result. See our photo and the maxing point and the direction, and this is the result. Watercolor painting, and also this is the this photo or digital painting. See, look like realistic painting, and photo color replace automatically. Another one, and include paper option, and easily you can change the paper option. See another one, and another photo, and another photo. Okay, now we start. Go my download file. There is show brush file and action file. This is the L file. You can read the L file. There is some information include, and our customer support information include. Okay, and first load brush, select, double click, it's loaded your Photoshop automatically, or you can load manually. Go window and the brush section, go there and include brush, find out my download file, digital art and folder, select brush and load button, click. Now brush is loaded. Go window and action option, click. Now action option show maybe right side or any of side. I just settle it to left side for my better understanding purpose, and go the option, load action option, click. Now find out my file, main file, the digital art by Amara Kokon, select and load button, click. Now it's loaded. This is the up and down option, and this is the last one, loaded file, digital art folder, and this is the script. Now we can open a photo. I use this photo. There is two step. You can use any type of photo and any high resolution image. If not the image enough space, you can make the space for effect looking purpose. Okay, I think it's done. And quick selection tool, select. First check out your photo, must be, make sure your photo is a lock icon show and background name is background. If not, then action make the error. Some photo sometimes look like PNG transparent or layer 0 format, that is not accept the action make the error message. Right button, click your mouse, the layer panel layer option, and fit in option show there. Just click the fit in option, and your photo set a lock background layer, and make sure your photo is RGB color mode. If not, then go image mode and change the RGB color mode. Just click RGB color mode. If show any message, just click OK. Now select a quick selection tool, and if you select the quick selection tool, then there is a select subject button show, and click the select subject button option. Now your photo is auto selection and all area, but I do not need the overall area. Click a new layer and make their new layer 1. Double click the new layer text option and type there BRUSS. Brush, same my spelling, do not include any other character, space, hyphen, comma or uppercase letter, only lowercase, and click the outside. Now selection is on, and I have filled up the brush tool. Select brush tool. I can use pen bucket tool, but I do not need the full of area. I just need some of area, so that's why I need to brushing. Go the brush section and general brush, or I have already attached this brush. My last one download upload file. There is brush include, soft brush, and brush the area. You can change any of color, use any of color, and make sure you brush the brush layer, this layer. Okay, I have brushing, I need to this area only, do not need overall area. Okay, now brushing is finished, and selection mode is on, so I need to deselect first, then action the play the script, otherwise action make the error. Selection mode need to deselect, select and deselect. Now it's deselect, and we need to again work another one. Create a new layer and make sure this layer is top layer. Type there FOCUS, focus, Make sure layer name is focus and all are small letter, and you have select the focus layer. Now change the color any uh, inverse color of your first color. So small it by using the size or arrow tool. And point, I have given some of example. You can check out my example all. See the point and the line. If you need to more effect looking show, you can use the line, or if you need to simply, then you can use the dot. Okay, now I have show the point. I have select the focus layer and point there on option, and there outside and outside and less, then this one and this one and this one. Okay, I think finish. And if you want to top on, you can use the top on. Any of area and any of place you can use. You can more use the line if you want. Okay, okay, line. And I have select the focus layer. Make sure you have select the focus layer. Okay, then hit the play button. But I check out image size for my video time setting purpose. I have typed there 2400 pixel. You can use any high resolution image. Okay, and I am just check it. You have select the focus layer and hit the play button. This select this one all in on and hit the play button, and working start. Just wait a minute. It's depend your photo and image resolution size. Your photo image resolution size or PC configuration. We have include a separate layer, and all layer are editable. You can change very easily background color or photo replace color. You can make the adjust. See, this is the one kind of looking. Now we can custom yourself and see the looking is very nice. This is the high definition materials all are. So see it, it's very professional, great working. And if you don't like the adjustment, this one adjustment, double click this one and you can change the adjustment anytime. You can make the adjustment yourself. See the shading is if you use the dark tone, then shading is show, and there is another shading looking, and we have include the sum of adjustment. Check out, you just check out view and show up a new looking, another one, and another one, another one. This is the color option, and this one is the adjustment. You can check it the adjustment. I have used this this time this one, and there is the photo looking. We have overlap on photo this one, and this is the our main photo. And also you can use this photo for supporting purpose. If you don't like the effect is focus point overlap, so you can use this one and select the mask point and brush tool and go there, select the soft brush, default soft brush, and you can brush the area little area. So if you do not think the whole overall area, you just brush little area yourself, and it's very easy. Same way, and this is the painting style, and this is the real photo look, so you can try it. I have like this one now first, and select the max point and make sure top color is black. See, and I think it's very nice. And top is paper option. You can check out the paper. See, now paper looking view and unview. If you use the digital version, you can use this paper, or if you like to print it, you can uncheck the paper option. If you don't like the paper showing, so uncheck this one. And if you want to make PNG, just go the background color and last this is the up and down option. Uncheck I background color and uncheck this one and uncheck this one. Now your photo is background transparent background. See, the looking is great, it's really nice. You can save it PNG very easily. Go file and export, quick export as PNG. So just click there and save your file. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message our profile MRI Studio and MRI Khokon 2015 um, uh, 0.5 gmail.com, or you can contact my number for collect help file or description. You can send a message or WhatsApp or Facebook. Please rate this item if you like this item, and you can visit my site photoshop action.net.